Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a managed portfolio with Zacks investment research, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Zacks investment research website. Once on the home page, look for the investment solutions section. Click on managed portfolios to explore the services available. Review the options listed under managed portfolios to understand the offerings. Choose the portfolio type that best suits your investment goals. Click on the portfolio type to access more details about it. Read through the investment strategy and performance metrics provided. If you're still interested, locate the Get Started or Sign Up button on the page. Click on this button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to a new page requiring you to enter your personal information. Fill out all necessary fields, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password that meets the platform's requirements. After completing your information, agree to the terms and conditions. Proceed by clicking the Create Account or similar button. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from Zacks Investment Research. Open the email and follow the link to verify your account. Return to the Zacks website and log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate back to the Managed Portfolios section. Select your desired portfolio again to initiate the investment process. Click on the Invest Now or corresponding option. You may be asked to complete additional questionnaires to assess your risk tolerance. Answer all questions accurately to ensure the portfolio aligns with your investment preferences. After completing the questionnaire, submit it for review. The system will analyze your information and suggest suitable portfolios. Review the suggested portfolios carefully. Select the one that aligns with your financial objectives. Next, you will need to fund your investment account. Choose your funding method, whether it's a bank transfer or other options provided. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.